SCC Online has just made your research easier by adding a pop-out feature in the Find by Party Name search option. Here is how you can use it in a few clicks. On the SCC Online dashboard, you will find this blue tile named Find by Party Name, which aids you in finding cases when you do not know the citation but do know the party name or the approximate party name. Choose a jurisdiction if you are sure, for example, the Supreme Court. Then, start typing the party name that you want to search for. For example, MC Mehta. You can also choose from the list of suggested names that appear in the drop-down list. Click on Find Case icon and a list of judgments is populated. Click on the pop-out icon on the right corner of each case to open it in a separate window. You can open as many windows as you want without losing the searched list. You asked for it and we made it possible. Your research made easier. Here is a tip. Not sure how to spell Chaudhary or other names with multiple spellings? Use wildcards. Question mark replaces one letter and asterisk creates root words. Get every variation of Chaudhary with CH DH asterisk. Yes, we ask you to try it out. Here is another one. Ramesh asterisk. And you will get results for Ramesh, Rameshwar and Rameshwari. SCC Online continues to make your research easier, smoother, faster and completely stress-free, bringing an ever-expanding collection of statutes, judgments, articles and other resources to your fingertips. Explore smarter, search easier and stay tuned to SCC Times for more such updates.